keto old-fashioned in the house, baby.
Damn. This is just too good. Hey guys, it's the Keto King here. And you know, finding the right keto alcohol or keto alcoholic drink to have while you're socializing can be a difficult one. But today I'm going to show you one of my favorite keto alcoholic drinks, and it's the Keto Old Fashioned. The Keto Old Fashioned is really easy to make, it's incredibly tasty, and it's a really classy looking drink as well. So the ingredients you'll need for this Keto Old Fashioned are some bourbon, 1 lemon, 1 orange, some bitters, and a sweetener of your choice. I'm using erythritol here. That's it. Let's get to this keto alcoholic drink. Alright, so grab yourself a glass here, and the first ingredient is bourbon. Now I'm using this is called Bullet. It's a straight Kentucky bourbon whiskey. Any bourbon will do here. Pour as little or as much as you want in here. Then in a typical old fashioned, it calls for sugar. Of course we're not going to use sugar in here. Usually you drop a little block, a cube of sugar in here, but we're going to use the sweetener. Now as I said earlier, I'm using erythritol. Any erythritol is fine. This is just the brand I got off Amazon. But we don't want to put in that granular erythritol because what it does is it doesn't mix properly. Now I made a couple ones earlier here, and this one's been sitting around for quite some time, and you probably can't see that, but at the bottom you've still got a bunch of granular erythritol at the bottom. Not only does that look terrible, but of course it's not fully mixing into the bourbon. The best way to do it is use powdered erythritol. Now you don't have to buy powdered erythritol, simply take this one, pop it in your blender, and blend it up, and you end up with powdered erythritol just like this. So you're going to add approximately 1 teaspoon worth of powdered sweetener in there. Then just give that a good stir, making sure that is fully incorporated and there's nothing left at the bottom of the glass. Alright, so there it is fully mixed in. Then what we're going to do is you add in just the tiniest splash of water. Really, you don't need to add a lot. And again, give that a little bit of a stir. After this, all of the sweetener should be completely incorporated in there. You shouldn't have any sweetener in there that you can visibly see. Then grab yourself a block of ice and pop that right in. Then grab your orange and your lemon. Now you're going to grab a peeler and you're just going to peel off a slice of the rind of the orange. And you want to cut a slice about the size of the glass that you're using, and then try to do the same for the lemon. Now what you want to do over the glass is grab the orange rind and squeeze it over this Keto Old Fashioned. It just helps release the flavors and the essence within the orange rind, and then do the same with the lemon. And then finally, the bitters. All you need is 2 shakes of this. So you just go 1, 2 into the glass. That's all you need. Give that one last stir with everything in. I feel it really mixes in all the flavors and you get that lemon and orange rind to really impart its flavor into this keto alcoholic drink. And you end up with a Keto Old Fashioned like this. So now while I've been taking some shots of this, it has melted quite a bit, but just take a look at this drink. I mean, it looks exquisite. No artificial flavors or colorings in here. This is just the bourbon, the water, the sweetener, and the lemon and the orange in here. And just look how beautiful that looks. I mean, unreal, right? And best of all, the taste of this Keto Old Fashioned. I mean, look, I'm a whiskey drinker, so I do drink my whiskey either neat or on the rocks, but this is just so soft, it's so smooth. It's not like you're drinking the hardtack straight, so if you're not really into drinking hardtack, don't be afraid of this keto alcoholic drink because man, it is beautifully soft. You do get those amazing flavors from the orange and the lemon, and of course the bitters, which adds to this beautiful drink right here. Oh, absolutely. Seriously guys, this is one of my favorite keto alcoholic drinks, other than scotch of course. This would be an amazing keto alcoholic drink for a party, if you wanted to offer it some guests, and of course if you want to impress your friends, go ahead, offer them this. I guarantee you they are going to love it. And guess what? You're still keeping it keto with this drink because the bourbon is 0 grams of carbs, and of course we use the sweetener instead of the sugar. So essentially it's a 0 gram carb drink. Now in my last keto alcoholic drink video, the keto sangria, which I'll put a link to in the top corner of your screen right there, go take a look at it. I did get some questions saying, oh, but can you still drink alcohol on keto regardless of how many carbs there are in the keto alcohol that you're drinking? Well, it's a great question. So of course, this may stall some weight loss because while your body is metabolizing the alcohol, there may be a period of time where you're not metabolizing that fat in order to produce the ketones in your body, but it doesn't mean that you can't have a few alcoholic drinks on keto. Absolutely not. So if you guys enjoyed this keto old fashioned, please smash that thumbs up button. Also let me know in the comment section below what else you would like to see on this channel and how you enjoyed this keto old fashioned. You know I love hearing from you. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below so you get notified when I upload another new keto recipe just like this keto old fashioned. And of course, keep it keto.